Hello there, friends. It's your boy, Chapper. Are you a Jamaican athlete? Did your high-profile boyfriend just spread out the entire private conversation that you had out the road like one sheep? Now half of Jamaica dragging him through these internet streets. Lord have mercy. Now hear me out now. I'm sure you wish God would have sent a flood and wash this all away, now don't you? Well, we both know that your corner is a little bit dark. But don't run to hide with your boyfriend inside the hark. I think it's time now you give Chapper and Sons a call so we can have a little talk. Well, I declare, this don't look good, Liza. Liza, this don't look good. Because you know everybody's having a hissy fit, right? But let me give you a little bit of help off the book. Now, you know Jamaicans don't remember nothing past 7 business days, right? So them soon let you off the hook. But I can't speak for those Olympic athletes because based on how Tweety Bird is running his mouth, I'm sure the entire Jamaican camp is currently shook, guaranteed. So come on now. Let Chapper and Sons give you some representation so you can overcome all this slander and preposterous allegations. And when we're done, we guarantee that your name will be in good standing with the Jamaican nation. Just give us a call at 1-888-CHAPPER. Chapper and Sons.